I'm like, bro, you don't have a chance. What do you mean
Wow, out of respect for Daniel.
I'm like, bro, like, why would he think he has a chance with her?
Wait, hold on. I need to know this whole thing right now, please.
Okay, you know Carlos.
I know everyone in this story, and I know Daniel. Go
You
on.
know Daniel Andrews?
No, I know Danny.
Daniel Cunado.
Yeah.
Wrong
Who's
Danny,
it?
big dog.
Okay. Is this Danny good looking? Does that Daniel has... Go on, so Carlos thinks he's gonna steal like some guy's girl? Carlos, the Carlos I know.
Yeah, and he's saying he's not doing it out of respect for the guy.
Oh, because...
And I'm like, bro, you don't have a chance. What do you mean respect for the guy?
Oh,
like,
man.
I'm like, bro, she doesn't want you. He's like, no, out of respect for her.
Yeah. I love Carlos, dude. You gotta love it. See, you can't make up that kind of confidence, though. Like,
No, I literally just texted him. I said, what in God's name gave you that confidence, bro? I was like, you can't
There's
get
a
a girl
wingman
with
here,
one
yeah,
eye
if you
and
want
one
it.
arm. Why would you be that confident? And he's like, because I can be.
all of a sudden it's Lauren or what? Another wingman here.
Lauren, bro.
Yeah, he has that Lauren thing down, dude. There's a body shield here.
Let me hit her front of back.
Let me clap, clap my dick in her ass.
Oh,
Oh shit.
You can say that nowadays, right?
another level,
What?
dude.
You went hard right there.
Hey, let me.
I mean, what gun do you have? Energy gun for sure, 100%.
Yep.
What the hell was? Is someone playing the fucking flute behind you? What the fuck was that?
That's my ringtone.
He's
Very good.
a hype flutist.
back, come
Oh,
back.
I'm gonna land right here. Oh my god, fuck my life!
Where are you, Armin?
Armin, where are
Right
you?
there, close. Oh, he's rushing you, too.
Oh,
Mo, run!
oh my. Oh, I got purple armor still.
Armin, where were you?
Well, it's Emma?
Ammo.
How do I say it? What's the right way to say it, yes?
Ammo?
No, that's not the right way to say it.
It's ammo. You say it like a Canadian.
Yeah. Hey, bud. Hey, yeah. Yeah, bud. Yeah.
Hey, bud.
Yeah,
Some
bud.
ammo?
Hey, bud. Yes. Who am I? Yes.
Garrett.
Dude, you do the best impression.
Yes, like the other day.
So good.
Dude, you guys don't get it. Like, we won because like, I dropped down that armor. He's like all fluttery. Like, I
I
don't
love him,
understand
dude.
it.
Hell yeah.
Come on.
What? What? How the How? They're fighting each other. They're fighting each other. I'm nading one on top. Stick him, Mo. Oh! Stuck him, baby!
I didn't stick him, but he was right behind.
I know.
One behind the building. Behind the middle building.
Oh, purple armory as fuck. I'm on
In that
the.
room next to you.
One flanking us.
On me. Two. Oh, Armin, run back. Mo, get over here.
I need it.
Shoot him in the back. Mo.
I hit him.
He's coming back.
Oh my god, I'm down.
I'm gonna
One
kill
on
this
me.
guy.
Oh, two. The lifeline's here too. Oh shit, lifeline's not climbing over. They're waiting. Nice. I'll tell you where.
In the room.
One's in here. Come on, Mo.
Hell yeah,
Go!
baby. We out here, cuz! Who's next? Oh, who's next? I just killed my baby. I feel bad. I heard her run away. From my room.
Where
Behind
is
us, behind us.
Finds.
Another two.
He's behind the pill. Low HP, and one to the left, and one's nading over. Also, we're getting fucked. Arm behind you.
Oh no, I'm dead. I'm dead. Fucking. Fuck this.
Momo, two.
I'm coming.
They're solo. They're solo. Mo, shoot him in the back, quick. Mo.
They're so low.
Last guy's low. Bangalor's low.
Is it? Where is he?
He's right here. He's healing right in front of me. I'm pointing at him. To the right, on the ramp.
I can't see him, bro. Where?
He's so low. He's there. He might have healed, Mo. Come back, you can get us. Nice.
Nice, dude.
I hear a teammate. Behind you guys. In this house. To the right, in front of me. Up top! He's there! Ooh. Damn, he almost fucked
Behind me, I
there.
think.
That one down. One more here.
On me, on me. On me, on me. Up top, up top, up top, up
Let's
top.
go. We gotta go up there. I'm dead.
Where?
Where?
Right here, on me. On the bottom, guys.
Underneath?
Underneath, yeah. I'm landing. I'm landing. I'm down. Get him, please. Please get him. We should have. Oh, man. Nice. Get me quick. I got fucked so hard. Thank God he does him.
Oh my god. Oh my
Somewhere
god.
in front of us.
He's rezzing to see me.
Where? I don't know.
Oh shit, on me.
Oh, okay, of course, yeah. See, I'm actually leaving for the night. Peace. I'm done with this fucking shit game.